Hello everyone, I'm Ethan with Snakecraft Hosting, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your VPS. Shortly after purchasing your VPS, you'll receive an email saying that your VPS is ready to set up. From there, you'll want to log into our customer portal, click on Manage Product for the VPS that you just ordered, and then from there you'll want to click Log into the control panel. It will bring you here. This is the VirtFusion control panel that we use. In the name field, this is just the name of your VPS. This is whatever you'd like it to be. For this example, I'm just going to click Random. Optionally, you can enter a host name, and this is important, like if you have a mail server. So for example, mail.snakecrafthosting.com, you would want to enter that here just in case, and that way the reverse records actually line up. And the time zone, just select your time zone you want the server to be in. And moving on to the operating system. This list is all the operating systems that we have pre-built and ready to go. Otherwise, you can click on self-install, and you can install your ISO later on. For this example, we're going to use Ubuntu 24.04, which is the latest version. Please note, Windows licenses are required. We only provide an evaluation copy of Windows Server, so you'll have to provide your own key. Moving on to the network part. You can choose to enable the IPv6 network, and we strongly recommend it because IPv4 has been exhausted for quite a while. Moving to IPv6 is the next step forward for the future. The SSH key section is where you can add your own SSH key for the server. It does not automatically add one for you. I have created one previously, and you can select it here, or if you don't create one or select one, it will just create a password. Clicking on the advanced options, you can enable VNC, which is useful if you lock yourself out of the VPS, and here are the DNS resolvers that it uses. By default, we have Cloudflare and Google. Now we're ready to install the VPS, so we click the install button. Now it's just giving you a warning because we have not created an SSH keys. It doesn't take very long to install. And once it's complete, it puts us into the overview tab of the control panel. You should have received an email which displays your IP, the username, and the password of your VPS. If you have any questions or need any help, please do not hesitate to reach out to us at my.snakecrafthosting.com and create a ticket within the customer portal. Thanks for watching.